That's fucking crazy.
Positive for heroin and fentanyl. Oh my. And I think he's an offender. I think he's actually a sex offender, but let's see.
If I unlock your phone for you.
Can I do it with my nose?
With my nose, bro? What is this guy doing, bro? And I see why you have that hand.
I'll hold the phone for you while we're on the phone call.
Bro, like, you got your hand, just fucking use your fingers, bro. Like, what's up with the nose thing? You still use your finger.
Hi, is this Sandra?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Officer Cole with the Acton Police Department. How are you?
Good.
Are you available right now to come pick up Billy's 2 dogs?
Yes.
Okay. We are on Dayton Street near Glenwood. If you're able to come our ways to pick up his 2 dogs for us.
Okay, I got it now.
Okay. Yeah. And he wants to speak with you.
Hello.
I know, it's stupid. I stopped smoking for the 14 days. You know, I start smoking again. Guess what somebody put inside the marijuana? They put other drugs inside the marijuana, so now I'm going to jail for something I didn't know. Honestly.
Bro. Heroin and fentanyl is found in there, bro. Heroin and fentanyl. So calling Granny or whoever that is and being like, yo, guess what they found in my marijuana? Someone put heroin in. Bro, that's crazy to me. I definitely don't think that should happen. But things get even crazier because I think he outs the plug in front of the police on the body cam. So let's check this out.
So, jail's better than dying. I mean, even if you knew or not, like this, again, you might have gone, smoked this, ate it, whatever. You didn't know that was in there, or, you know, allegedly and whatnot.
Yeah, now I'm going to have a possession that I didn't, like, is there any way I can, like, how do I do this?
So the whole court system, that you'll be able to talk it out with them. That's what that's for.
They didn't show us up close what they actually found and what it looked like. But let's keep it rolling.
Like, I've never done anything like that in my life.
Okay. Just make your phone call short, and then so that we can get her on the way.
Can you help me while I'm in prison, like, or in jail?
No, yes, you call me for
Can you, like, so maybe I need to come home Monday, maybe pay money for me to come home?
Yes, I pay.
And I need to call you somehow, and I don't have your number in my head.
Your phone's gonna go with you. So after we're done here, I'll turn it off for you so it doesn't die, because I know it's low. So once
You have that number memorized?
I can even write it down for you too.
Sandra, I'm so sorry, and I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. This is so bad for me. Hey Siri.
I got no worry.
I see you in 1 second, okay? I maybe not talk to you.
Okay.
What kind of
broken English?
What do you look? Yeah, you location now?
We're at Dayton Street
Almost by my house.
and Glenwood. Do you know where he lives?
Yeah.
We're 1 street to the west.
Okay, I drive it now.
Okay, what kind of vehicle are you going to be coming in?
One small car, 4.
A small Ford?
Green. Yeah, color blue.
Blue?
Blue tank. Yes.
Okay, alright. Do you know how long it'll be?
Okay. And maybe in 5 minutes.
Okay, alrighty. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.
And can I send one message?
I don't do text messages.
I don't even have, I can just say, hey Siri, message OG.
What do you want to say?
I'm going to jail right now because there was fentanyl in the weed.
Okay, sending.
Alright. You want me to write down her phone number for you?
Yeah, the information.
Go ahead,
That's the craziest thing I've ever seen in my whole life, bro. Dude literally just texted the plug through Siri. Siri, text OG, tell him I'm getting arrested because of some weed you sold me with fucking fentanyl in it, bro. Dude, what?